Welcome to the house of art. We are going to unbox 5 Matchbox. These are all from 2009, 10, 11 someplace, I think. See the old Norwegian price there, $24.90. That's about $2.15. 17, a bit older. It's like $150. Alright, so we got Ford, we got Volkswagen, we got a Rover, and we got another Volkswagen there, and we got a Holden. So let's open them up and have a look. And let's start off with the Volkswagen microbus. It's quite an old one, 2003. So this was a bit older than I thought, even. Probably the oldest one we are going to open today. And there you go. Volkswagen microbus. I don't think I have any of this. My turning board was malfunctioning there. Always fun. Alright, look at that. Got some cool comics graphics on the side there. Skateboarders, shooting, some text. I like the metallic blue color here. Cool rims. And the windows are completely blacked out. Black undercarriage. Alright, it's cool Volkswagen. Next one. Big car. 07 Ford Transit. And this is from 2009. It's a bit newer. Look at that. Aimer on the side. International something. White inside. Little tint, black tint in the windows. Bling in the rims. Beautiful green color. I love it. Ford Transit. I don't think I have any of this. So, my first Ford Transit of this kind. Alright. Let's look at the Land Rover. Land Rover Defender 110. There it is. Tan color with little OD tiger stripes on them. This is 2010. Land Rover. A little bling in the rims there. Black interior. And clear windows. I do collect this. Maybe I'll do a 4 more one of the days. Have a look at them all. Alright. Next up, we got the Volkswagen Saviro Cross. I don't think I have seen this before. Alright, let's have a look. And the spinning board here keep crapping out on me today. Alright, let's open the Volkswagen. There we go. Extreme gliding, extreme hang gliding, it says on the side. Black color, got a burgundy red undercarriage and interior, clear window, little bling in the rims. No printing on the front or back, just the sides. Volkswagen Saviro Cross. Never seen this before. It's a first, a lot of firsts today. And not my first Holden. First of this type of Holden, I think. 08 Holden VUTESSV. That's a lot of acronyms. Alright, let's have a look. Look at that. Beautiful blue color on this Holden. It's a pickup, small pickup. Got some black interior there, clear windows, little bling in the rims, printing front and back. Cool. This This is also a first. Alright, I'm gonna photoshoot these cars into my garage so you can have a closer look, play some music, spin them on the table at the end of the video. And please, if you haven't, subscribe, thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit notification bell so you get the warning each time I unbox some old Matchbox. And I see you later.